Hello guys and welcome back to Unmasked Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered crashing after or during compiling shaders, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to the search bar in the bottom left and go ahead and type in Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is open, you can look for Display Adapters, right click on it, hit Update Driver, and then you can go ahead and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Now this is one method to fix the error code. The second thing you guys can do is, if you are on NVIDIA, you can go ahead and open up the GeForce Experience app. If you are on AMD, or if you have AMD drivers, you can go ahead and you open up the AMD equivalent app, or you can just manually install it from Google. But let's go ahead and go through with this first. Go over to drivers and then check for updates, and if you have an update it will say download right here. You can go ahead and choose download and then hit custom or express installation once it comes up, and then you guys should be good to go once that's done installing. You can also restart your PC after. I recommend doing that as well, and then once you do all of these methods you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.